The orange cream, blue raspberry, and dreamsicle are our most popular Dirty Bulls, and let me show you why. I really feel that these are our most popular ones, really because of the colors. The colors just pop at you, and they make you want to grab it. They make you want to drink it. They make you want to try it. If you know anything about color psychology, it's all about how that color makes you feel before you even make an order. And before you even get the chance to decide, your subconscious has really already decided for you. Let me just see if I can go ahead and take a stab at this. All of my Tennessee people and all of the people that feel like they vibe more with the fall and more of the beginning of spring, you're probably going to lean more towards the orange cream one. And if you're more of a winter baby and you like snow and you like baby blue colors, you're probably going to choose the blue raspberry. And all my summer babies that love the ocean and love to swim, you're probably going to choose the last one, and that's the dreamsicle. Now, look, I could be wrong, and forgive me if I'm wrong. You may choose another one. You may come back and choose all daggone 3 of them. But hey, listen, I'm just trying to let you know that these are our most popular ones because of the vibrancy in the colors. The colors make the decisions for you, whether you like it or not. And I think that these are really good ones to add to your guys' menu. We are going to be dropping ebook number 2 and ebook number 3 very, very soon. Please go and check the link in our bio, on our TikTok page, on our Facebook page. Doesn't matter. Go and check it out. Tell us what you think and go and grab it.